Hey guys, this is gonna be a clean with me today. We have so many dishes to do. We made tortillas last night for my son's school project. Well, actually Nathan and Isaiah made tortillas last night. So as you guys can see, we got lots of crumbs on the counter. All that needs to be clean. The floor needs to be mopped. My things up my table needs to be cleaned. This is a mess over here, guys. We need to clean all that. Let's do some more walking. I got your girl up on my neck, yeah. And she say I'm up next, yeah. And she say that I'm the man, yeah. Going to the top, yeah, they gon' count me out. All this money coming in, yeah. That's my beautiful precious. Say hola, ¿cómo estás? Say hola.
It's super duper warm, but it feels like it's really cloudy.
Oops, sorry guys. It's a really, really cloudy day. So anyway, let's just get started with the cleaning shenanigans. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Back to today's video. Today is, sorry, I have to think. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. So happy Tuesday. And then I have this little brat. Oh my gosh, you are the worst. She is such a nose, you guys. She's driving me insane. Anyway, we're going to start the video. I think I'm going to start it out as a time-lapse clean with me. I don't know how I will end the video, but I definitely want to do some type of a clean with me. I love you guys way too much, and we'll see you in the next clip.
I just wanna ball out, flexing on the gram, cause I did it all by myself. Baby, take my hand, cause you know I'm about to ball out. Yeah, bitch, you know I'm finna ball out. Yeah. She said she wanna be with me, she know that I be drippin'. Ain't no rappers in my city, I don't see no competition. I'ma be there for my family, I'ma run up all the digits. So we have got to clean our room. I want to do a makeup tutorial today, but I'm not gonna do a makeup tutorial when my makeup room looks like the Tasmanian devil ran through it. You know what I mean? Like everything just looks sloppy and messy, and yeah. Over here, I have like my wig, I have my shoes, like no. We have got to do a total cleaning escapade in my room, so I'm gonna do that, okay? Bye guys. Ball out, yeah. Bitch, you know I'm finna ball out, yeah. I just wanna ball out, flexing on the gram, cause I did it all by myself. Baby, take my hand, cause you know I'm about to ball out, yeah. Bitch, you know I'm finna ball out. They see you winning, most of them are gonna hate. And I wanna ball forever, bitch, you know I couldn't wait. I've been doing what I'm doing, got some food up on my plate. Spent that check up on my clothes, I got some drip all on my waist. I've been sipping on some potion, baby, ride me good, I could feel it in your motion. We ain't gotta stop, baby, we could keep on going. I started out small, but you know that I am growing. Hop up on the beat and you know that I be flowing. Can't nobody.
So, I know this is a cleaning video, but as I was cleaning my makeup room, I found a bag from Dollar Tree. So I just wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I got from Dollar Tree. And also, I wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I got from Gratis from work. I just wanted to share them with you guys. So the first thing that I got, oh wait. Oh, I thought this was it, but it's not. I don't know, you guys. Maybe I can't show you that. I'll have to show it to you later, I guess. Anyway, from Dollar Tree, I got another green screen. So this one is in dark green, and the one I had before is like a more like bright, but I thought maybe I could put this in front of it so it's a little bit thicker. But I did get another one, that way I could do my green screens. So I got that, and then I got this, which is super cute, you guys. This is for, let's open it. This is like a little there's like a sponge in here. And when your brushes are dirty, but like let's say that I want to use the same brush, right? But it's dirty. So all you do is you go like this to take off the last like eyeshadow that was on the brush, and it cleans it off for you. And this is a really nice quality sponge. I could just tell that it's not like cheaply made. So yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, you just take your brush in there and then just kind of clean it, and it takes that layer of makeup off. That way you could use it on your eyes. I've never had anything like this before. I'm sure it works good. I've seen these before, and I've seen them on like on sale for a lot more than $1. But it's so cute. Look at the lid of it. So cute. So you can just keep it on your vanity. So for powder dry makeup, gently glide your brush in a circular motion on the black pad to remove color. Not for use with liquid makeup. Oh, I had liquid makeup on this. That's why this didn't work. But for powder, it says just to go circular. So I'm sure it takes the first layer off. That way it doesn't affect your other colors. But yeah, not bad, not bad. Anyway, I got that for $1. I was really happy with that purchase. And then I got an LA Colors. This is a matte liquid liner in matte black. So the liquid liner that I usually find at Dollar Tree stays shiny. It does not matte out. So I'm happy that I found one that is matte. So I'll show you the difference between a matte liner and a liquid, like a wet. Oh, and this is a good brush too, you guys. I love these type of brushes. Dang, I wish I would have got another one of these. So I just want to show you, in case you weren't like too familiar, the difference. I never noticed things like this, like when I first started doing makeup. I never noticed like, is something a matte liner or is something a shiny eyeliner. I never noticed this. But now that I do makeup, I'm like aware of like simple like things like that. I got this for my gratis, you guys. It's an eyeliner, but the neat thing about this eyeliner is one side, it is a pencil. How smart, right? And then the next side is a liquid liner. Oh my God, like why didn't anybody think of this concept many, many years ago? I think that's so smart, right? So I'm so glad that I got this. I got that for gratis. So I'm just gonna put that in my makeup here. The next thing I found is this LA Colors. This is a metallic eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And it's like in a purpley shade, I guess. Let's see. I'm trying to open this so you guys can see how it looks. Oh, that's pretty. It's just like a, do you guys see the difference between the matte and the shiny? I don't really see a difference too much. They both look shiny to me. No. At my house, I could see it. That one is shiny. That one is matte. Anyway, look how pretty that is. It's just like a, it's just like a purple metallic. That's cool, you guys. So I found that from LA Colors. They only had a few of these left, so I'm assuming people are just buying them out left and right. And then I know you guys hate when I buy these, but I bought some more energy pills. I don't take them every day like I used to. I only take them as needed. So if there's a time that I'm super tired, yeah, I'll take like one energy pill. But please don't judge me on that, you guys. Please. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish cleaning. Oh, I actually finished cleaning my room, so I'll do a quick overview so you guys can
my
see.
room looks clean. Oh, I have my ring light on. Hold on, let's turn the light on. So this is what I use when I put up my green screen and when I have a black background, and I just open it up and then I'm able to, you know, use that. This is like my area where I keep my palettes, and you know, I just have a bunch of blushes and stuff there. That's kind of messy down there, but I know what everything is. Anyway, over here, I just cleaned up. You guys saw the mess, how it looked. I just picked it all up so it's not messy. I know where everything is. All of my foundations and all that jazz. And I have some, I I don't know, like my, what are these called? Brushes and just stuff like that. I have all my pencils in there. And here is where I keep like all of my, what are they called? Let me get that out of here. In there, I keep all of my mascaras and pencils and yeah, so that's all that stuff. Over there, just some dirty big brushes, and down here, I just have, down here, this is all the stuff that I use when I do my makeup looks, like Halloween looks. And yeah, that's basically, this room is picked up, you guys. So no longer messy. It's not perfect, but it's certainly not as messy as it was, right? Okay, thanks for watching.